What's going on, everybody? So I'm going to take you through a quick run through of a basic service-based business website that we designed. So here we have Beachside Mobile Auto Detailing. This is a mobile detailing company out of Panama City, Florida. And essentially, as you can see, we've got the home page here, we've got the landing page. And what is the main goal when building a website for a service-based business? That's one thing that you always want to consider is what's the goal here? Who's our target? What's the overall goal? And in this example, it's obviously to get bookings. So we've got two different things. We've got CTAs, which is call to actions for book an appointment. And then we have CTAs for call now on the screen multiple ways. And once again, our main goal is here to get bookings, get calls, get emails, get contacts. So we have the home page here. We've got it set up with the brand's colors, the menu up here where they're servicing the name, the email, the phone number, the socials, book appointment, and call us now. And then here we have just some basic packages about what they offer. Now this is what the client specifically wanted here. When we first designed this, we had a little bit different showcasing here, but they wanted to put their services right on the home page. So we've got all the services, what they're included, the price, and then we also have a book an appointment button. Once again, more packages. Then we have about us section. So this is just about us. Then once again, the book now button saying what areas and locations they serve, just a little bit about the business. And then we have wash and detail packages, which is just more buttons and images to kind of see and learn more about what they actually offer here at Beachside Mobile Auto Detailing. So we've got all of that, got all the images so you can kind of see before and afters, just some recent work, schedule an appointment, and then it's basically down to the footer. The footer is just real simple, brand's colors, got the menu, site navigation, contact us, join our newsletter. So if anybody wants to join the newsletter to get tips, tricks, discounts, deals, whatever it may be, they can do that easily. Once again, the book now. All these are just anchor points that just takes you to different sections within the website besides services, our blog, and request appointment, and contact us. But if you go to services, it just, once again, dedicated page just for the services. We have this set up for SEO purposes, so we can have that ranking for the services page. Pretty much the same thing that's on the home page, and then images, all of that. Then we obviously have the blog, once again, for SEO purposes to rank the website. We've got all of that, got the blog set up, and then request an appointment. So depending on what your service-based business is, this will kind of determine what you're going to actually have. Whether it's going to be a book instantly, a request. This business specifically wants to get request an appointment. So we set that up for them where it's kind of a form that they fill out, the user, and then the form automatically gets text messaged and emailed to Beachside Mobile Auto Detailing for them to pretty much accept or deny or edit the request however they want. And then contact us, pretty much same simple form, contact us, gets sent to the business owner when it gets submitted. That's a basic version of what a basic website looks like.
Wow.